Hey everyone, Assalamualaikum. Hope you all are doing well. In today's menu, I have simple macaroni. I have shared the recipe of simple macaroni, which is mostly eaten as breakfast or also as an evening snack. Hope you like it. First, I'll boil the macaroni. So I've taken 4 cups of water in which I've added 2 teaspoons of oil and also half teaspoon of salt. When the water starts boiling, add macaroni. Here I've taken 2 cups of macaroni. Let it boil for almost 4 to 5 minutes. Be sure that it is not totally cooked. Switch off the flame and remove it in a bowl. You can also remove it in a bowl of cold water. Now here I have removed it in a bowl when it is not totally cooked because it gets further cooked when it is in the bowl. To that I have added 1 teaspoon of oil so that it doesn't get sticky. Mix it well and keep it aside. For the gravy, I've taken hot pan in which I've added 1 tablespoon of oil. Into that half teaspoon of cumin seeds, that is zeera, 1/4 spoon of mustard seeds, that is rye. Let it splutter. Then half teaspoon of split black gram, that is urad dal, and half teaspoon of chana dal, that is split chickpeas. Then 2 dry red chilies, suki lal mirch, and pinch of asafoetida, that is hing. Saute it well for few seconds. Now in goes the chopped onion, kati hui pyaz, saute it until it gets pink color. After 20 to 30 seconds, add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, that is haldi powder. To that I'll add half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, adrak लहसुन का paste. Saute it for almost 20 seconds. I've added chopped tomato, kata hua tomato. Mix it well. Now close the lid and let it cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Saute it occasionally. After 4 to 5 minutes, it is cooked. So to this I've added 1 to 2 spoons of tomato sauce or ketchup. You can also increase the quantity of tomato sauce as per your likings. I've added half teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, that is zeera powder, and also half teaspoon of coriander powder, that is dhaniya powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt or as per your taste. Mix it well. Then add half teaspoon or 1 teaspoon of red chili powder as per your likings. Then you can add boiled macaroni. Give it a quick mix. Mix it well, and then I'll add fresh coriander, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, that is kali mirch powder, and chaat masala powder of half teaspoon. Lemon juice, close the lid for 2 to 3 minutes and remove it in a bowl. You can also add fresh cream or beaten curd. It'll taste very good. Here we go. Simple macaroni is ready. Hope you like the recipe. Please give it a try. It'll be really good. Thanks for watching, and keep watching my videos. Keep supporting me. Thank you.